Well, you're not American. I mean, my God, like you can't trick an American into thinking that you're American. Like we can immediately tell if you're like from England or something like that. Like your accent, it sounds totally fake. And the things that give you away are like when you say things like, um, I'm American. Like it just doesn't sound American because, like we know what we sound like. Hinders, if you're wanting to sound better at your American accent, you really want to keep an eye on those R's, L's, T's, D's, that sort of thing. Like the British, they say like Roger, but it's Roger. Like you've got to have that big, heavy sort of R sound. Like the British or when they say like large, oh, that's a large packet of crisps. So it's like large packet of chips. Yeah, so we know that you're not American. So don't try and trick us because you can't. Stupid.